Hi guys, this is Puneet and you are watching PS Talk, and today we are going to see how to recover deleted photos from your mobile. So let's get started. To recover deleted photos from your mobile, first of all you have to download an app. For downloading the app, go to your Play Store and here type Disk Digger. The first one from Different Technologies, you have to open it and download it. Just go and open and download. I have already downloaded this app, so let's go and open this. After opening, you will see a bar Start basic photo search. Just click on it and it will start digging in your phone's memory and recovering the photos. As you can see, it has recovered many of the photos from my mobile. Here you can see them. Some of the photos are degraded to smaller pixels, but well, something is better than nothing. I'm sure you will agree with that. So as you can see, there are many photos. There are many options by which you can recover the photo. Well, tap on three dot and recover the file. Save to your local storage or something else, or you can delete it permanently from your local storage. Well, I hope you will like this video, and if you do, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.